Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem if you have stable internet connection but cannot browse Google Play Store or use Google Chrome or any other browser on your CUBOT Tab 10. So let's open Google Chrome and here try reaching any website. As you can see, there's an error, and if we try to download any game on our Google Play Store, it will start the download, but in the pending state and won't change forever. So to fix this, let's open our settings. Here we want to find the system at the bottom, go for date and time, and here make sure that you're using network provided time. If you go back to Google Chrome and reload the page, it should load properly. Also, Google Play Store now should instantly start downloading games. If not, you might need to restart Google Play Store. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.